We have a Cat 247 skid steer. Bought it probably 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. It's a great little tool. The problem is it's very, very hard to start in cold weather. So we're going to look at the glow plugs and probably replace a few of them. So we're going to get it into the shop and see what we can do with it. Okay, we've got the clamp-on ammeter on the main wire that feeds the 4 glow plugs, and we'll see if we can check the amps by pushing the stick in. Okay, relay clicked in, and we're showing what's it say, 10 or 11 amps. Now we're going to take off the rail, goes along here, and we'll check each individual glow plug for continuity, and we'll see which one or which ones are failed. Okay, so now we have the rail off. Yeah, I didn't need to take the nuts off all the way. I could have just slid them out. You can see that. Okay. Okay, now we're going to set up the continuity light and find out which ones are not working. No, I'm not. I'm going to blow it out first of there. Okay, we've got it cleaned up a little bit. Now we're going to take each of the glow plugs out. Gonna mark them. It's not very good, is it? We do better there. Oh, we can't just barely see it, just barely. Okay, number 4. Okay, we're going to test all 4 of the glow plugs, and we have a new one for reference. So we'll look at the new one first. New one shows 10.10 amps, somewhere around there. Okay, the used one is 14 amps. Second one is dead. Third one's dead. Fourth one's dead. First one, again, 14 amps. New one, ouch, that's hot, is 10 point something amps. Okay. Okay, we just showed 3 out of the 4 glow plugs are no good. The 4th one is the same age, so it's not going to be long before it fails. I've got 4 new ones. I'm going to prepare the 4 new ones and replace all 4 of them at the same time. I bought these on eBay. Came from the UK. There's the United Kingdom stamp there. US, UK Royal Mill, it says. Including the postage, Canadian dollars, cheaper. So it was less than $50, including postage. So you can't get a better deal than that. That was okay. Now, it says NGK. So we'll see if they're Chinese copy NGK or if they're real NGK. So we'll see how long they last. I'm going to put some Never Sees on the threads. Oh, goddamn, that one's hot. That was what we just tested. Okay, we're going to put them back in. We're going to back off the nuts. Geez, that's going to be hard to get in there like that. How are we going to get the nut on? I think screw in the the nut in the washer on. That's not going to be easy. the last one. Last one's always the hardest one. It's on there fully. Oh, I can't get in there. Okay, it's the washer. Now the nut. That's going to be really hard to get at. Okay. Setting it on top temporarily. I don't think that went on. Nope, it didn't go on. Nope, it's not inside. I must have dropped it in there somewhere. I can't even see it, so I don't no idea where it went in there. Can't even see it. And I can't get in there to look at it. So I'll try to poke it out with a screwdriver. See if we can flush it out. There it is. Okay. So we will try again. Boy, oh boy. Nope. Missed it again. Okay. There we go. Okay, we'll try another way. Okay, let's see how that works. Well, I can feel it cross-threading. There we go. Okay. And check them all tight. Okay. Now we need to put our wire back on. Okay, alrighty. Now we'll put the ammeter back on it. There we go. Boy, oh boy. be able to see that very well. Okay, I'll try that right just like this. Okay, now let's zoom in. Okay, so we're looking for approximately 44 amps. Got that set on 40 amps. I'm going to bump that up to 100 amps. Okay, we're on DC. So let's press the button and we'll see what happens. And we're showing 46, 44, 43, 42 amps. Okay. So, it should work fine now. But we're in warm weather, so we don't need the glow plugs. But we're ready for next winter. Turn that off. Gather up the tools. Okay folks, that's it. Thank you for watching.